we'll guide you through how to make circle mask in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Adobe Illustrator and begin by creating a new project. Choose New File to open the preset selection window, where you can decide the dimensions and settings for your document. Select the preset size that best matches your needs. Then click Create to open the artboard and prepare your workspace. When the artboard is ready, add the image that you want to mask. To do this, open the File menu on the menu bar and choose Place. Browse to the location of your image, find the correct file, and select it. Add the image to the document by left-clicking on the artboard. After the image has been added, adjust its size until it fits properly with your design and is positioned the way you want. Next, pick the Ellipse tool from the toolbar. Use this tool to draw a simple circle on the artboard. Once the circle is created, open the Fill option and remove the fill so the inside of the circle becomes transparent. Then adjust the stroke thickness until the circle outline is clearly visible and easy to work with. Now reposition the circle and place it over the area of the image that you want to mask. Take a moment to move it carefully so the circle covers the exact portion you would like to keep visible. After repositioning the circle, select both the circle and the image together. Make sure both objects are highlighted before continuing to the next step. Right-click on the selected objects, and a pop-up menu will appear with several available commands. From this menu, select Make Clipping Mask. Illustrator will immediately use the circle as the masking shape and apply the clipping mask to the image. The parts of the image outside the circle will be hidden, while the content inside the circle will remain visible.